Hello guys, good morning. I procured a power bank yesterday. Recently I've had this need of powering my laptop all through the night because it's the period I usually have the time and opportunity to utilize my laptop for further studies. So lately I've been having this power challenge, and solar could be a veritable alternative because power holding company isn't giving us light. So, but it's expensive to install. So I decided to get a power bank. I have been, of course, I initially got ITEL 13,000 power bank, but that is for my phone. I'll still do another video to unbox it for you. So, but this one, I wanted to get the 60,000 mAh for ITEL, but when I got there, I was told that this one is also better for laptop, that it is designed to power laptops, and they showed me where they provided a picture of the laptop and also the power bank charging it. So I was excited. That was yesterday. I was excited, and I procured it. I just want to unbox it for you so you could see what I got for my laptop, right? All right. Okay. So it is RH018 portable 130 watt huge capacity power bank. This is from New Age. By the way, I'm not advertising for any company. I just felt excited to share this with you.